Manufactured from high-strength rail steel, these T-posts have 2 coats of protective enamel and an exclusive prime coat for maximum rust protection. The green finish blends in with the natural surroundings, while the studded design adds strength, secures fence fabrics, and prevents T-post clips and insulators from slipping. Easily installed with a fence post driver, achieve the best results by ensuring the anchor plate is completely buried in the ground, minimizing sideways and rotational movement. Posts should be spaced evenly, no more than 10 feet apart. With a wide variety of sizes to choose from, get high-quality support for your fencing